good morning. This will be the first in a potential video series called Life Made Simple, and today we're going to talk about sowing seeds. So we're just going to dive in and let's get started. And we're going to talk about how things grow. Now, see how little these seeds are?
Yes, they must grow into something, which they'll grow into.
Yeah.
So let's take these seeds. They might grow into something humongous.
But you know, seeds do. They contain a world of life inside.
Yes, like
now,
all those seeds.
But they won't grow by themselves, will they?
No.
No. They're just little seeds sitting there. But first we need dirt, right? So let's put some dirt in our little planter.
So I got my shovel and digging up some dirt. Got
Yes.
it in some dirt.
There you go. Get that dirt.
And I put it in here. See, I got some, but I need a little more and a seed.
Okay, so now we've got a little bit of dirt.
Just like this. And now we're taking how many tiny seeds?
Well, let's get more than one.
Let's get.
Because you know, all these seeds, they might not all grow. So we're going to put a bunch in there.
Let's put the whole thing.
Let's just put.
There's more in
I know. Here, let's just pour them all in there. Ready?
Yes.
Now, let's put some more dirt on top because we have to protect them. They have to be hidden where you can't see them, but not too much. That's good.
Now we need water.
That's right. They won't grow without water. They gotta have water.
And sunlight. That's how all these plants grew.
You want to give them some water?
Sure.
Now.
Not too much water or they'll drown.
Yeah, well, it's coming out the bottom, but that's so they don't drown. We'll put a little more so we get them nice and wet.
And when that happens, you just let the sun dry the water up.
Watch your butt. That water's coming for you. Now,
Look at that.
those seeds,
Will grow into a plant.
does it look like a plant yet?
No. It takes a while before they grow.
After we sow the seeds and we put them in dirt and give them a little bit of water, hang on, come here. Come here, talk
They'll
with me.
grow into a plant and they'll turn into sprouts. Like a million sprouts.
That's right, just like these little sprouts. They'll
Yes.
sprout up, but before they even sprout, they grow roots.
Yes. And
That
then
seed gets water and those roots grow out into the dirt. And they drink the water that we give it.
and then they turn into these things. And when they disappear of those,
Come over here.
it'll take a little longer and then they'll turn into a plant.
Come over
Like
here.
this.
Come over here. Yes, come over here.
It'll turn into a plant like this.
So, but when that sprout starts, it pops up out of the seed and you can't see it yet. It takes a little bit before it breaks through the dirt. But it reaches for the sunlight because it needs that sun. Right? It lives off the water and the sun and the dirt. It's got to be good dirt.
I'm sorry, we have an outside cat interrupting us.
That's okay. She's calling to her babies.
Yeah.
So just like these little seeds, and they could use some water.
Yeah.
And we have more that haven't sprouted yet.
Yep.
And
Wait.
this-
Where's my corn stuff? Oh. Like this corn stuff. I put it in for popcorn. So we're growing some popcorn.
Yeah, she's trying to grow popcorn. There you go. You
And
need a new pot. It's broke.
It's okay.
It's okay. Well, But everything, even the biggest trees on earth, they start as nothing but a teeny tiny seed. But different kinds of seeds give us all different kinds of life, like vegetables and
Flowers,
flowers,
honeysuckles,
fruit, great big trees, and
even
these,
pineapple trees.
and these right here, these two. What are these? This is called baby's breath.
Oh, there. What do they look like?
It's a beautiful flower.
I think I have baby breath in mine.
Life begins when the seed is sown. Just because you can't see it doesn't mean that it hasn't taken root and is springing forth with life. Just because you haven't seen it yet doesn't mean it's not growing and reaching, and it is new life. Jeremiah 1:5. Before I formed you in the womb, I knew you. Before you were born, I sanctified you. I ordained you a prophet to the nations.
Done.
Done. That's right. Done.
I'm done with the watering.
Done with the watering.
But I need more water.
You need more water. We always need more water, don't we?